All right, everybody, we're going to make a short video of our Torah. The learning will be Lenishmat, our dear friend, Amnon's brother, Avner ben Ksia. His neshama ben Aliyah. The name Avner is actually like the father of light, even though he's away from us, but his light is definitely shining up upon us. As we approach the holiday of Pesach, there is a mitzvah from the Torah to eradicate and to clean up and to search for chametz. But really, in the end of the day, we have to look for the chametz that's inside us. It's not enough to look around and just find the 10 pieces of bread. You really have to find in the recesses of your mind and your heart to get rid of the chametz, to get rid of the seor. There is a question that begins with the Haggadah with karpas, and we say karpas is because of the ketonot pasim, because of what the brothers did. And then we have 4 cups of wine. Why do we have 4 cups of wine? For geula. And at the end of the day, Moshe Rabbeinu was telling Paro, why do we need to leave? We need to leave and serve Hashem. So when it says in the Yam that the angels say to Hashem, what's the difference between the Mitzrim and the Jews? They both of the Avodah Zarah. So Hashem says, mi'amin u'misimol, the walls of the water was from the right side and the left side. And mimina from the right side is representing the Torah, because the Torah Hashem gave down with His right hand. And we know after the holiday, after the 49 days of the Omer, we received the Torah, and that was the real purpose. So in essence, what started it is because of the sale and because of Yosef. The Yam Suf also split because of Yosef. So now, is there a connection between Yosef and the Geula? So if you take a look at the gematria of Yosef is exactly 156. If you multiply by 4, corresponding to the Arbe Lashonot Geula, corresponding to the 4 cups of wine, you actually get to 624, which is the same gematria as Cherut, freedom. And what's true freedom? When a person learns Torah. How many books in the Torah are there? 24. When did we receive, which generation from the beginning creation of the world did we receive the Torah? In the 26th generation, which is really completing the name of Hashem, Yud Kei Vav Kei. So if you multiply 24 books of the Torah by the 26th generation, or Yud Kei Vav Kei, you actually also get to 624, which is Cherut. So what's the ultimate freedom? What's the ultimate geula? When a person has brotherly love between his siblings, between his fellow Jews, and he learns Torah the right way. And also, Erev Pesach, we try to get rid of the chametz. And when we receive the Torah, it says that we went back in time. We went back to the moment before Adam HaRishon sinned. He sinned with the Etz Hadat. If you take a look at the 2 words that we want to get rid of, chametz, which is gematria 138, and seor, which is 501, together is gematria is 639, which is exactly the same gematria as Etz Hadat. So what's the purpose of getting rid of the chametz? Is to go back in time to the moment before Adam HaRishon sinned, to really, really complete the world. We say in Shema, Hashem Elokeinu, Hashem Echad. Sometimes Hashem deals with us in a Yud Kei Vav Kei, straightforward, and sometimes it's Elokeinu, and sometimes it's Din. However, in the end of the day, our purpose is to fuse the names of Hashem, both Echad. And Be'ezrat Hashem, hopefully this holiday of Pesach, we'll be able to understand true Geula, the true essence of our mission in life, to learn Torah, to be peaceful with each other, and there should be peace in the entire world as well as our hearts and Alam Yisrael. Hazak Baruch everybody. Chag Sameach.